So look at the circle theorem notes. We have the theorem 1, the angle at the center is twice the angle at circumference. Theorem 2, the angle formed in a semicircle is a right angle. Theorem 3, angles in the same segment are equal. We said angles at circumference standing on the same arc, quarter segment are equal. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degrees. So W plus X is 180, Y plus Z is 180. We went over that last week. Circle theorem 5, I said exterior angle of a cyclic quad is equal to the opposite interior angle. We looked at that as well, and I showed you a diagram on the board. So this week we're beginning here, circle theorem 6. The radius is perpendicular to the tangent, or we call it the angle between the tangent and the radius is always 90 degrees. That's another way of putting it. The seventh theorem, tangents from a point to the circle are equal in length. In other words, angles coming from tangents are coming from the same external point are always equal in length. It's another way of writing it. Eighth alternate segment theorem, the angle between the tangent and the side of the triangle is equal to the opposite interior angle. We said it's not always going to be a triangle, so we normally say the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. And theorem 9, we didn't go into much detail with it. Let me put it here because it is one of the more difficult theorems. It says if the tangent, we put in a little bit more size to this because I don't think you can. I can barely see it and I'm typing. Let me put some size to that. I think that's good. Angle, if the tangent Tx and the secant AB, secant AB, which is extended to T, then that's going to be hard. Then Tx squared is equal to TE times TE. All right, that is theorem number 9. Okay, and I will put it on the board in just a bit. Alright, so I've written that out. If a tangent Tx and a secant AB, which is extended to T, then Tx squared is equal to Ta times Tb. You have that? Alright, so let's look at the diagram first. Okay, let's look at the diagram for that. And I'll be putting it on the board. So I have a circle, right? is x. A secant means basically a chord that goes beyond the circle. So even if just slightly, it's still a secant. And I will extend that secant for it to touch t. Right? So tx squared, so this square is equal to at times bt. So this length times that length. Okay?